Hey there, friends! Welcome back to my kitchen, where we're all about keeping things healthy, simple, and delicious. Today, I've got something special for you. The ultimate detox juice that's going to help you feel amazing and shed those extra pounds in no time. Trust me, you'll want to save this one. Here's what you'll need. 3 slices of fresh ginger for that metabolism boost. 6 crisp cucumber slices to hydrate. Half an apple for a touch of natural sweetness. 2 vibrant kale leaves for those all-important nutrients. A sprig of parsley to detoxify. A sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. The juice of 1 zesty lemon. And 250 milliliters of good old water. That's it. Simple, right? All right, let's get started. First up, toss in those ginger slices, spicy, and so good for digestion. Next, in go the cucumbers. These little guys are hydration heroes. Now for our half apple, no peeling needed. That skin is packed with fiber. Add in your parsley and kale. These greens are like little nutrient powerhouses, loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. And let's not forget the cinnamon, just a pinch to add a warm, cozy flavor. So good. Finally, squeeze in that lemon for a tangy kick and top it all off with 250 milliliters of water. And now, we blend it all up for about 3 minutes. Ready? Let's go. Don't be shy to dance while you blend. It makes the juice taste even better. Look at that gorgeous green color. This is liquid health in a glass. Now, make sure to drink this in the morning 4 times a week, and you'll start feeling the difference in just a few days. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. All right, now it's time to take some notes. Feel free to pause the video as needed to jot down all the ingredients and the step-by-step instructions. Let's get started.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this recipe with a friend, and subscribe for more deliciously healthy ideas. See you next time. Stay vibrant.
Sitting in the basement